Hello my friends, ladies and gentlemen. This time I am going to update you on what happened to the marcots which we harvested last time and potted some of it, the ones that are good, and the 8 pieces that I set aside for treatment of powder turmeric. And I will show you if what is the update. Here are the 8 pieces of marcots of pomelo I set aside last time, as I have showed you on my previous video, for the past 2 weeks or 14 days, in which I set them aside and treated powdered, what's this, turmeric, because I have seen from friend YouTuber that he treated the injury of the stem and it was healed. So I experimented on the injuries of my marcot stems, and have seen that out of 8, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are healed, but the other, like this one, totally already cannot be healed anymore. This one and this one also, because the stem really became so dry. And the other one I left there aside. So out of these 5 left, we will try to plant this, and the what's this, see on the next 1 month if what will happen to them, whether they will grow or not. Okay, in potting these 5 marcots, which I see that their injuries are healed, we will also use the same organic mixture with the ones that are, or that were good or have no injuries. So I will update you now on their status. These are the marcots, or the good marcots, that we planted for the past 2 weeks, and they look now a little bit stable. Anyway, we will wait for another 2 weeks and we will see the result. um, they are all in good condition, though the leaves fell down, and also the fruits, some of the fruits fell down, but that is normal. Anyway, they cannot yet handle the big fruit of this pomelo in this small stage. And the stem where the leaves fell down, they will soon give new leaves. And the fruits, it's okay for the calamansi because it only bear fruit, small fruits. They can handle fruits in the very early stage of potting the marcot, but for pomelo it is impossible, as we see in this experiment of ours. So I will update you about the status of these marcots after 2 weeks. Our potting soil is now ready, which is made up of dry cow dung, old stock rice hull, fine charcoal, a little of sand, and fine or the ash from the wood ash, which I got from our dirty kitchen, and I have stocked for many weeks already. And then we will add the extract from the chopped and soaked overnight leaves of neem tree, kakawate, and Hagonoy as pesticide, insecticide, or antimicrobial, or antimicrobe, antibacterial, antifungus, and or molluscicide. So I will post the what's this, the nutrients or the benefits you can get from this extract juice of the leaves I said, and the benefits also from the ingredients of this potting soil on the comments or on the description box. We will mix this potting soil with the extract of these leaves. We will now start potting this marcot. As I said, the ones treated with powdered turmeric or turmeric powder, by getting the tie on the bottom portion. Before we continue, you may wonder why I stocked this treated marcots for 2 weeks but they remained fresh. It is because the secret there is we must keep on watering or keep the moisture on the marcots by soaking on the water or by I mean spraying with a hose and then hose of water, and then put in a place where there is no sunlight so that it will not become dry to the extent that it will die. Okay, these are the examples. This three gumamela marcots which I stuck for 45 days but they remained fresh. It is because I put on a cool and no sunlight place, and they still remain fresh until now for 45-day period. So after this potting of pomelo, I will pot this also. So this is the advantage of marcot, in addition that we can stock for a long time even though we can plant immediately. Okay, we will continue. We will pot now our marcoted pomelo. Finished potting the 5 pomelo treated or pomelo marcots treated with powdered turmeric. So I mark them with a yellow strip of plastic as a sign that they were treated with a turmeric powder. I will update you on my next video about plant propagation and the status of these 5 marcots of pomelo treated with turmeric powder. We will put them also on a shaded area where there is no sunlight so that they will grow and they will bear leaves again and eventually bear fruits also. I tied them on the twig like this and like this so that it will prevent them from moving or from turning around when touched by somebody or by the animals roaming around or by the strong wind, because if they will turn around and their roots that are forming will be bothered, they will die. That's all for now. I hope you like our video for now and learned something about this topic of ours. And please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and in order to support this little channel of mine, and also you will learn from me my simple ideas, or which was based on my own experience and from my researches. So take care, God bless, see you on my next video. Bye bye.